I've got some junk in my trunk too, sweetheart. No, I just want to find a man. Speed up! Am I even on the right side of the road? America, boy! I cannot drive. Oh, don't roll your eyes at me. No, no! Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Be back. That was the cringiest thing I think I have ever done. I do not understand how YouTubers do intros like that. Hi. No tea, no shade. Oh my god. Oh, that's really not good considering we've not even started driving yet. Oh my god, it literally took me like 5 minutes. Ah! Who put camera in space? Oh. If this falls, I literally give up. Someone can buy my YouTube channel off me. Because if you think I'm giving this away for free, sis, I feel like my chair's far back. Oh. I don't know where anyone is. Fingers crossed I don't run anyone over. Iliasem, everyone. If I do, good wishes to all, dead and alive. Okay, stop. Thank you. I literally haven't done a drive with me in the longest. As I was saying before, child lock interrupted me because yes, I am 12 years old. If you are new here, I am 12 years old and driving a car. If the police are watching, kisses. Oh my god, there is someone literally on the road with a lawnmower? Not a lawn, leaf blower! Hands on the wheel, Lewis, hands on the wheel. Okay, sis, get off the road. Sis, he's got headphones on. Do I honk my horn? I don't want to scare him. Thank you. Well, that was awkward. Anyway, as I was trying to say, and I've been trying to say for the longest time now, I have not done a drive with me in since December. Don't ever doubt yourself, honey. December was the right answer. Dreams go a long way in this earth. I have literally the worst music taste in the world. Everybody shouts at me when I go on the aux and Uber. But you know what? It's a cry for help. So, you know, we're just gonna play some tunes, drive to get some coffee, because, you know, I already get... Okay, stop talking, Lewis. Concentrate on the road before you actually die. Actually, you know what? I'm kind of ready. Jesus, you can take the wheel now. As I was saying, I already get enough comments comparing me to Emma Chamberlain and saying that I'm copying her, so why not just add on to that by getting coffee? No, but actually, in all seriousness, I need a coffee. I am mentally deteriorating and also physically deteriorating, and I need something to boost my souls and my immune system. I'm about to drive off the road. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Oh, my stereo isn't on. Stereo? What? I cannot believe you just called it a stereo! See everyone lock off my view, let's lock off when I'm on board. I have no idea what the words are. Corner, corner, corner. I be looking like you, my lady. Zooming, bubbling, no average type. Forrest Gump. Ah! I didn't mean to rev my engine to any racers around. I'm not trying to start a fight. I am puny and got an underweight BMI. Okay, that lorry, drive me off the road then, you idiot. Like, literally, get on your side of the road. Okay, I need to calm down. This video is getting heat. I do not understand those lorries which literally drive on half the side of the road. Like, I get it, you got a fat ass, you're kind of thick, but that doesn't mean you need to take up the whole road. You know, I've got some junk in my trunk too, sweetheart. Anyway, I wonder what drivers think of me when they drive past me, because I literally look about 12 years old, driving in a car on my own, badly may I add, because sweetheart, I ain't a good driver. Like, I ain't no Lewis Hamilton. Fun fact, my mum's maiden name is actually Hamilton, so if we took my mum's surname instead of my dad's, I'd be called Lewis Hamilton. But I'm surprised I haven't got the police called on me yet. I'm actually got a countdown on my phone. My friends are taking bets. If you'd like to join in the sweepstake, comment down below and I'll be sure to sign you up to my mailing list.
Woo! I love this song!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 text messages. I love the fact I have no idea what the words are. Yeah, I'm not letting that go. I'm not letting that get to me. I'm still like, oh, sweetheart, fake it till you make it. No! No! Ah! Mummy! Mummy, I need my mummy! I am stressing out. We have now got a traffic jam on a Monday at midday. People, do something with your lives. He says, literally sat in a car talking to a camera on his own. Thank you very much. Confirmed I have no life. But for serious, there is a traffic jam which I've been sat in for 5 minutes and it's not moving. Take up a hobby. Start knitting, you know, go for a jog. Okay, that car behind me, I am not enjoying. It is a blue van and it is extremely close to me and it looks like it would beat me in a fight if it was a human form. People like him are the reasons why I hate driving. I don't even know if it's him. I'm assuming, sorry, it's 2018. We should not be assuming gender roles. That wasn't nice. That really took me by surprise. Radio, I would like a formal apology in the form of a YouTube video titled The Truth. That was kind of shady. Nah, I'm already over it. Literally me in any dramatic situation. I have this ring from okay, we're moving. Why? Traffic lights. That's the reason, people. Thank you very much. The world's greatest mystery is solved. Next up on the list, how the earth was created. Stay tuned, we'll be looking at that one after the break. I don't know how I go from X to Y to Z, but I do. Doctors, feel free to diagnose me. Ooh, the car in front of me is like type genre. Can you tell I have no knowledge of cars? It's called Wild Track. I feel like that's kind of fun. What would I be called if I was a car? Thickatron. Going, the traffic light is on green. My mood is exponentially changed. I just tried to change gear without my foot on the clutch because I'm an idiot. Ay caramba. That was good. Like, I don't care what you have to say. That was good. I clap a lot when I talk. Why am I acting like I didn't already know that? Shish kebab. Is that a saying? Okay, well, there's a big van, so I can't actually see what the T is.
This is really stressing me out. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Right, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go. Sorry to you all. Get off the road, woman! Get off the road. It is not acceptable for you and your little leopard print handbag to walk across the road when I'm trying to cross a busy roundabout, meaning I can't cross. Now, which turning am I supposed to take? I always get confused. Here we go, ladies. Oh my God, that's the cutest dog ever. Oh, okay, concentrate. Okay, look. Now look at the dog. Oopsies. Oop. Now we got the difficult struggle of trying to park a goddamn car. Do I have to indicate? Oh my God. This is actually gonna be the day I die. Am I driving up the wrong way on a one-way? Yes, I am. Do I care? No, I don't. Am I even on the right side of the road? The fact I passed my test is a worry for all. That's what this country has come to. Thank you for listening. Please save the turtles. Oh my God, that's someone I... No, it's not someone I know. I don't know what to do. This is really... Okay, that car's coming back. Oh no. I'm in a bad mood. Why is there no car parking spaces? I'm literally just parking like a man. Why? I just want to find a man. I feel like I'm causing carnage in here. You know what? I think I may just have to leave the coffee. Nope, that's not a space. Wasn't exactly the coffee I expected. But, you know, you win some, you lose some. This one, it was a significant loss because there is no car park spaces anywhere else. And... Sorry, this is just a really emotional topic for me. Oh, I just need a minute. Oh my God, I'm sorry if any of you are scared of spiders. Freaking spider on me, Mum, get it off, Mum, get it off, please.
Oh my God.
Mum, no, Mum.
He's a goner. He's a goner.
Ah, stop.
Me to my decreasing bank account. I'm having to make a coffee at home because there was no car parking spaces. Oh my God, I love this song by Jojo Siwa. And we're done. Next up, in my everyday routine, I put the ice cubes in the coffee. That was terrifying. And that is the truth tea, sis. No! Why? Cross the road when I'm trying to come around the corner into a busy road. Like, use your head. It's there for a reason, sweetie. God gave you it for a reason. Bless up Jesus for actually giving us one. So use it, honey. Oh my God. I'm now pissed.
I'm pissed.
I didn't get my coffee. I drove now for literally no reason. Who's gonna go? I'm just gonna take it. That was kind of rude of me. Wow, I've never done that before. If you guys know, you always give way to the right when you get to a car park, roundabout. How did I pass my test? People are all at every point of the roundabout. It's just whoever takes the first lead gets the right of way. And I'm always like, I'm a good person, you know, Jesus has blessed my sins. I am the son of God. Hallelujah. So I always let everybody else go. But today I was like, it's my day. This is me. Look out, cause here I come. Oh my God, oh my God. I literally almost crashed into the back of that car. I just started rolling. I cannot drive. I literally cannot drive. Oh, don't roll your eyes at me. What do you want, a Blue Peter badge? Like, seriously. Some people are just so rude. I need something to calm me down. We need some music. Step back. It's a barrel thing. Bow, bow. Bum 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 bum. Yeah! Literally, oh. It's the #1 champion. We're the hottest in the world right now. Just touched down in London. Just sold out all the flow seats. Go someday! Take me to New York. I'd like to see LA. Sister, it's really, really nice to meet you. Like what's underneath it. American boy! American boy! That was horrible. I'm sorry your ears had to experience that. I do, oh, oh, body do do da boo dee da ba ba da boo, ba 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 da boo. I am literally gonna crash my car one day from dancing. Cause of death? Dancing. Only true dancers would understand that. Please retweet if you're a dance mum fan too. Sitting here at home, got a confession to make. Light, that means full steam ahead into this. Nope, joking, I am PG. Come on, Grandma, we don't have all day like you. We've all actually got places to be, sweetie, so let's pick up the pace. You're going 20 and a 30. Sweetie, like, are you like driving a Flintstone car where you have to like run in with your legs or something?
Speed up, Deirdre!
It's not clear. It's not clear. Hold back, guys. Honestly, do not go. I definitely could have made that. But you know, safety first is always the most important thing when it comes to driving. And we're going, ladies. Go, 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 go! Ooh, do you know what song I really want to listen to? LaRue, the in for the kill. Siri! Does this work? Siri!
Siri!
Hey! Woo! Woo! Doo-doo-doo. That literally sounds identical. Wow, I should be a LaRue tribute act. Hey, everybody. Okay, everybody, let's go. Been there, done. Oh. Wrong time. Just relatable teen things. Been there, done, the best around. I'm having fun. Don't put me down. I'll never make you sweep me off my feet. Whatever happened to LaRue? LaRue, if you're watching, please let me know if you're safe. Blink twice if you're not. No, but seriously, can she come back? She created bangers. Anyway, I'm back home now. That was a voice crack. We're just gonna gloss over that. That can never ends. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want more drive with me, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Ow, I just clicked my jaw trying to get a thumbnail. Ow, 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 ow. I wanna